Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Today we are going to go into binary number system or number system. We are going into binary number or number system. I will not want to talk too much on this case because probably you look at my previous videos. What I want you to know is this. This is written as a subscript. It is called a base. But if it is written on top, it is called power. For example, if I have 2 raised to power x, this is called what? Power. But if I have 2 base x, this is called what? Base. Right? So this is how they are. Now, in this case, before you be able to solve this, you need to convert them to binary. To decimal. Convert them to base 10. How do you convert to base 10? You use this, you say 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2. And then plus 1 times 2. So in this case, I am converting this to base 10. Without me converting it to base 10, I will not be able to solve it. It will be difficult for me. So that is why I'm doing that. Now in this case, this is the last number. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 1 times 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 16 times 1 is just 16 plus any number multiplied by 0 does not exist, is 0 plus. This multiplied by 0 is also 0 plus. This times 0 is also 0 plus. Any number raised to power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, everything here is giving me what? 17. So what does it mean? I have converted 10001 base 2 to a number in base 10, which is 17. Therefore, I'm also going to convert this to base 10. I'm going to have 101 base x, which is going to be 1 times x plus 0 times x plus 1 times x. Remember what I did also. I'm going to start from 0, 1, 2. So this is 1 times x raised to power 2 is x squared plus any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then any number raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So I have 1, right? Therefore, everything here has been converted to s squared plus 1. And everything here has been converted to 17. But remember, they are equal each other. Therefore, I'm going to say this is equal to 17. It doesn't matter my position, but they are the same thing. So what should I do? I will subtract 1 from both sides. I have x raised to power 2 is equal to 16. You remember what that means? Plus 1 here will go here and become minus 1. And that will be left with 16. So I'll finish it here. I have x raised to power 2 is equal to 16. Square root of both sides. Then x becomes plus or minus 4. Therefore, this base is actually in base 4. We don't have negative base, but we are going to use plus 4 as the base of that number. Thank you for being part of this class. But remember, you need to do what? Subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.